Yes, you heard me right. AI automation agency is completely not what you think. The reason I'm making this video is to save the majority of you guys going down the wrong path for months on end, ultimately wasting your time when there's better opportunities elsewhere. It is not what you think. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what the differences are and why, for the majority of you, you just cannot access this business model in the way that you think you can at the minute. So let's start right at the beginning. Now, as somebody who is in both areas of lead gen, the standard SMMA, SaaS, whatever you want to call it, and AI automation agency, I have realized there are fundamental differences which hold the common person back. Now, take a niche, for example. So what do we currently think a niche is? Well, it's specific to an individual industry. Lead gen is very specific to a certain type of business. Let's say e-commerce. They might want influencer marketing. Local business or a roofer may want TikTok ads or Facebook ads. That is just an accumulation of a market called SMMA, which has been around for years, and ultimately is just focused on getting people new clients. Let's call that market the new clients market. Now, what's AI? AI, the way a niche works in AI is a product individual to a specific system or process. Now, the way we niche AI, I was thinking to myself, I can't really think of any use case that could make a lot of money and solve big issues for local businesses in my niche, MedSpa niche. And then I realized we're not specific to an industry, we're specific to a process which is a problem. So let's take an example. Let's say a business needs a chatbot that is on a private language model, which means the data isn't stored by somebody like OpenAI or ChatGPT. Therefore, they don't run into GDPR issues. Now, that's a niche. You sell a private language model. However, that niche stems across many industries and many different types of businesses. Let's take Shopify. A Shopify store may need the same inventory management system powered by AI as a warehouse. Two different niches, but actually it's the same issue. And in AI's case, that system and process is the niche. A niche is specific to a workflow that you specialize in providing the solution for in any space that has or uses that workflow. What this means to the common person like you and me, a beginner wanting to make money online, is that your success equals your ability to innovate. It is product-led growth. Compare that to the standard service-based business that serves local businesses. What happens here is that your success equals your ability to outwork the competition as it's saturated, your ability to show trust and have personal skills, and your ability to come up with new offers and new offerings to outdo the competition that you're competing with. SMMA and lead generation and getting local businesses new clients, because this market, this new client market, has matured so much over 10 years, 12 years, we can just get a Go High Level account, get UpHex, Capri AI, and ultimately just learn sales, learn marketing, learn outreach, and we're ready to compete in the market. But because AI it's not established enough, the market's too new, requires the skill set of creating a product around a workflow or system. And obviously, this being AI, that's going to require specialist knowledge on coding, use of softwares like LangChain and Stack AI. And unless you have that knowledge, you therefore cannot be as successful as you would be in the lead gen space, right? Because the market is too blue and it's too new. So unfortunately, it's out of reach most of the guys watching this video who are beginners, somebody like me who has no technical knowledge. To actually make this work, what I would recommend you do if you want to go down this route, which I don't recommend as a whole, is to get a 9-to-5 job and spend all your time learning how to build AI solutions and get to a point where you are not limited by your knowledge or ability to create. You're only limited about the opportunities that you see. However, at the minute, we obviously all know that this is it's hot and it's ready to go. If you start an SMMA SaaS AI agency and use the other videos on my other channels, like how to grow that agency, what to offer, how to offer it, how to find your niche, click up here and there will be all the videos that you can use. That is a much easier way to start making money, start creating a cash flow. Now, that's what I'm doing. I'm moderately successful at this, and my goal is to create cash flow here to ultimately fund an AI automation agency, which, as we all know, completely is the future, whether that's hiring developers or maybe getting a business partner to fund all the development that's going to take place. If you want to start something like this, there's 3 softwares that you need to use: Go High Level, UpHex, and Capri AI. All affiliate links can be found in the description, and if you use those links, you will get access to my snapshot, which basically gives you a business out of the box so you can have even less technical skills, right? So what this video is for is highlighting that something as fundamental and important as a niche is so different in this market. This is automations, not client acquisition. And to assume that this is the only thing, the only bottleneck and the only bump in the road that is going to trip you up, you're very naive. The reason why I've come across this is because I am in both spaces and I face these issues and I come up with a solution, because you've got to be astute to these things shouting at you in your face. So something as fundamental as the niche being so different, I think there are too many hurdles in the common beginner's way of starting an AI automation agency to make it a feasible option to the point where it's more viable option than this business model. So if you want my advice, do this business model, use my links, join our Discord where you can chat and get the business out of the box. Use this model as a cash flow business to fund your future investments and your future ventures in an AI automation agency. Once you're there, then you can obviously take it to the next level with your AI automation agency. But my whole hypothesis around this channel at this very moment is that this model allows us to ride the wave of AI automation to the point when it's ready to start and when it's easy enough to start. We've already got softwares like BotPress to create a chatbot. Anybody can do that, which is good. And that's where the market's going, but it's not there yet. So we need the cash flow to ride the wave, and eventually we're going to have a pool of clients ready to sell to on our new offerings that AI brings us. So if you found value in this video, and now you're not going to waste months of your life chasing the shiny object syndrome, consider using the links below, get the business out of the box, join the community. And this is where I'm going. This is what I'm going to start posting about, is the journey between my SMMA SaaS AI agency, Lead Gen, and my AI automation agency. And trust me, there'll be more videos coming out because we know what we're doing here. This isn't what you think it is. It is so much more advanced and something that my technical knowledge is just not enough. So hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.